USA Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Dr. John Scala.
If you're out earlier this evening, you may have seen a halo around the moon. It's very thin cirrus clouds providing that optical effect. And as we look across the Commonwealth, you can see there's very, very thin high clouds, but in this general southwest to northeast motion. This is well in advance of a storm system which is gathering strength at this hour over the southern plains, and that's what's going to be bringing us this wintry mix during the day tomorrow. Here are the current numbers across the valley. Harrisburg has been going up and down. They dropped to 24 at 9 o'clock, now back to 27. 24 up in Selinsgrove. The Thomasville down there on Route 30 in York County, that's the cold spot at 21 degrees. With some of those high clouds continuing to drift across and be thin, we may see our numbers stay in the mid-20s through most of the next, say, 3 to 6 hours. 27 right now, feels like 22 with that light northerly wind, and there's your barometer at 30.42 inches. So what we're expecting as we move into the overnight, thickening clouds as those high clouds will become mid-level clouds and then the lower clouds moving in mid-20s for most of us with light winds. Now as we head into tomorrow, it looks like the leading edge of the precipitation will advance towards the extreme southwestern portion of the Susquehanna Valley. That's southern Franklin County, probably between 6 and 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when the winter weather advisory goes into effect. So light snow mixing with some light sleet at that point, and our temperatures below 32. Now that should change over to freezing rain during the mid-morning hours, and that's going to be our issue for most of the day tomorrow. Freezing rain through the balance of the afternoon with our temperatures struggling to get to 32. I think we finally make it by late in the afternoon when we'll start to see a change over to rain. But for most of us, this is going to be up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation during the day tomorrow before we get warm enough and get above 32. 42 was the high today before 4 o'clock. 24, that was at 9 o'clock this evening. That's a typical number, 24-hour high. And there is the record low set back in 1968. So here's the issue. All this moisture coming in from the south, running into colder air ahead of it. We actually have some freezing rain developing in Lubbock right now and over towards Childress. A lot of rain, moisture, and warm air extending from the Gulf Coast right into the Tennessee Valley, where the leading edge of that rain is now making its way into Evansville, and that will eventually make its way towards us by the time we get to sunrise tomorrow morning. So this is how we think this is going to pan out. The model not indicating the high clouds at all, but they're there, and they will thicken up as we move through the overnight hours. The leading edge of the precipitation in the form of light, snow, or even some sleet works its way in between 6 and 7 o'clock tomorrow morning in the far southwest, and then advances right across the valley during the day, turning over to freezing rain. Eventually, we will see enough warm air to give us all rain later in the afternoon as a warm front pushes north through the day. Very mild air here. Temperatures will rise overnight Saturday night into Sunday ahead of this cold front, which will move across the region by late in the day on Sunday, but not before our temperatures on Sunday get very close to record highs. I'm thinking 56 in the valley for our high temperature on Sunday, and then the bottom drops out and much colder air works its way in for the balance of the week. In fact, we'll get 2 shots of cold air. The first one comes in behind the cold front on Sunday, the second one later in the week, and look at those. Those are high temperatures. Pretty cold, low 20s.
I'm stuck on Sunday. I'm just going to live in that moment. All right, thank you, John. Have to get past Saturday.